Hey everyone, now that it's almost summer, we have our first big walking tour of the year coming up on June 10th. The thing is, I can't tell you where we're going on this tour. Now, right now, I'm pretty sure you're saying to yourself, Jim, have you finally gone over the edge? And we all know that's a possibility. But I can't tell you where we're going because the name of the tour is Mystery Spot Marquette. Now, here's the deal. We're going to leave here from the History Center on the evening of Wednesday, June 10th. We're going to take a short walk, not a long one, a short walk to the one place in Marquette where you can see more history than any other place. Along the way, I'll be telling some stories. And then once we get there, we'll learn about everything, from Marquette's first roller rink to how a walkway inspired a novel and how they almost manufactured cars in Marquette. But spoiler alert, it didn't work because the engines kept blowing up. Now, the tour starts at 6:30 on Wednesday, June 10th, right here at the History Center. You'll learn about some very famous names in Marquette, deal with a lot of iconic buildings, and maybe most importantly, we'll talk about cows too. Seriously, it's going to be a very fun tour. It's Mystery Spot Marquette coming up June 10th, which is a Wednesday, getting underway at 6:30 here at the History Center. We hope to see you there. If you want to know more, you're not going to find out more, but if you want to know more about the details, just go to MarquetteHistory.org.